Порвали.
I'll add it to the credits. Anyway, I'm really upset because something bad happened. We ripped the costume again. I have no idea how to film the video now. I was already thinking we'd have to film the video in shiny leggings.
Блин, может это... Нет, может мы отправим ему вот это видео, или ты ему объяснишь.